Be exalted, O God, above the heavens. Let your glory be all over the earth. Psalm 57 verses 11. Channel. Hey family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Yeah, can't believe this is the very last day of 2023. I'm here to say a very big thank you for all the love and support. You've been amazing throughout the year. I know somewhere along the vlogmas I went off a little bit. That is because your girl was under the weather. I am so sorry for that, but we are back. The very last recipe for the year 2023, I just want to share one of my favorite Ghanaian soup ever. If you're looking out to make your first Ghanaian soup, try this delicious light soup recipe. I use turkey wings for it. It is absolutely delicious. I wish you all the very best for 2024. I hope and pray that all your secret prayers will be answered in the name of Jesus. Keep striving, keep going, keep pushing for the things that you love to do, and God will make it happen. Thank you so much for the amazing support. I cannot thank you. So a quick tour of our ingredients. Here I have my turkey wings, and I also have some few vegetables. I have some onions, zucchini, habanero pepper, carrots, and some 2 fresh tomatoes. I also do have some tomato paste, some turkey seasoning, and some salt. I'll go ahead and blend my natural seasoning, which is the garlic, ginger, a bit of onions, and habanero pepper. I'll add a little bit of water, blend it smoothly, and we are done with that. Okay, so in my pot I'm going to throw in turkey wings. I love turkey wings because they're very nice and tender and very, very juicy as well. You may also decide to use chicken, which is very popular as well. It is very, very okay. I'm going to season it with my chicken seasoning, some salt. I also add about 3 dried bay leaves. It is great for the aroma. It's just help everything to feel and taste better. Try it next time, okay? I also went in with my blended ginger, garlic, and some onions, as well as my habanero pepper. I'm going to add about half cup of tomato puree, mix everything together, and I'm going to cover it and allow this to steam. Oh boy, those aromas were just insane. It is something about turkey light soup that you have to try. Not take care at this point, you're going to finish all the turkey wings. So please, let's be focused. We're going to add about 1 liter of water because we want the soup to be light. That's why it's called light soup, okay? Look at those turkey wings. They look absolutely great. We are now going to add our vegetables. You can decide to also boil your vegetables on the side, totally acceptable. So here I use 2 tomatoes, 1 big habanero pepper, and my zucchini. If you are in Ghana, you may use garden eggs instead of zucchini. Here it's very expensive, okay, and it's very hard to come by. I also added 1 large onion and 1 medium-sized carrot. This is going to bring all the flavors up, and it's just absolutely great. I added about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste as well. Remember, we also had tomato puree, okay? So we're going to boil this down for about 15 minutes until all the vegetables are nice and tender. As you see, once it gets to this level, we're going to take everything out and we're going to blend everything smoothly and add it back to the soup. Making Ghanaian light soup is very, very easy, and it's just so packed with lots of vitamins and all great vegetables, as you can see. Now, mix everything together, allow this to boil for about 10 minutes more, and your soup should be ready. Now, it is very optional, but it's also great to have some okra in there. You may also, again, decide to boil the okra on the side. It is my preference to have everything one pot. It is also a way of retaining all the vitamins that we have from the vegetables, okay? So we're going to just nicely boil this for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat, and our soup should be ready. And I tell you, family, the aroma in here is just amazing. It is nice, spicy, from the ginger, from the habanero peppers. My goodness, you just have to try it. If this is your first time wanting to make anything Ghanaian, try this lice soup with either chicken, turkey, fish, and you are going to absolutely love it. It is simply so cozy and just so warm to have this. It is so simply so food. Great food in a bowl. We paired it with our fufu. You may just want to pair it with some rice, potatoes, yam, you name it, or just sip it on its own. It is so good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, family. It is an absolute great pleasure to serve you with great recipes throughout the year, and I'm always thankful that you are here to support and also to give me all your feedbacks. I really enjoy having your time with me here. I'm always so honored to serve you with these easy recipes that I love and share right at the comfort of my home with you. Thank you so much for the amazing year 2023. We hope for nothing but the best in this coming year. May God grant you every wish that you have on your heart, and may all your secret prayers be answered. And just like that, this is how our end of year live soup went. It was just so great, and I'm so thankful that you enjoyed it right to the end. Please, as usual, if you did, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.